Hi, my name is Lisa Fultz, and I'm an associate professor of soil microbiology in the School of Plant, Environmental, and Soil Sciences. Within our school, we have two majors, one in plant and soil systems and one in environmental management systems. And then within those, we have each of those majors, we have different concentrations, which allow you to sort of tailor your program to your area of interest. So whether you're interested in crop science, sustainable production systems, horticulture, that will put you in the plant and soil systems major, or if you're interested in more environmental science, you can join the environmental management systems major and work within that program. Today we're behind Sturgis Hall, which houses both of our programs. And one of the reasons we're back here today is because it does offer us a very nice sort of natural area that allows us to explore different things and come out during classes for different demonstrations on things like non-point source pollution, because we do have a natural stream area here right behind our building, so we can come out and see some of the impacts of management decisions and things like that on a natural water system. So now if you'll join me, we're going to go into Sturgis Hall, which is sort of the main housing for our programs, and take a look at some of the different facilities that are available to our students. So this is one of our typical classrooms in the building. All of our classrooms are located on the first floor for lectures. We've just updated a lot of our systems, including these nice screens that allow us to do a lot more work and interact with the media that we're showing, so that we can be just more interactive with our lectures and with our students. Once you've finished your lecture portion, a lot of our classes will have labs that are associated with it. So if you want to join me, we'll go upstairs to one of our teaching labs. This is one of our teaching labs in Sturgis Hall, and this is used for anything from our intro to soil science classes that will utilize the soil monoliths that are behind me. We use those to show a variety of different soil profiles and soil horizons from across the state, as well as areas where students may not have an opportunity to see them readily. We also teach classes dealing with environmental science, like microbial ecology and soil chemistry are also taught out of this facility. So this is one of the many research facilities we have in Sturgis Hall, and this area in particular is one of my research labs, where we do a lot of our biochemical and microbial ecology work. So we'll do anything from enzyme assays to extracting microbial community information to look at the composition of that. And what we're really interested in looking at is how do our management decisions, whether we're doing agricultural production or environmental restoration and conservation, how do those impact the biological communities that we find in the soil. So one of the things we're really interested in is how do the microbial organisms respond to and influence the breakdown of organic material. And so what we started here is a vermicompost bin. The material that's in here actually started out as just paper waste and some food waste, things like bananas, apple peels, broccoli, that kind of thing. And now we're left with this organic residue that you can see, and the worms break this down very, very quickly. And this is something that we will definitely cover in their soil. We have a microbial ecology and environmental science, and we also talk about it in our soil conservation class, as well as demonstrations and things we do over the summer, just to show the benefit of having these type of organisms and how they can relate to things like soil health and environmental quality. This is the Sturgis Hall lobby. And this is where you come in. Our main office is located in this area, so you can go in and meet with our department head and our faculty and staff. We have a lot of different research labs within the facility, and within those labs there are a lot of opportunities for students to come and either do student worker positions or also undergraduate student research, whether you're interested in things like microbial ecology with my program, soil fertility, soil chemistry, or any kind of breeding program. We do have a few clubs within our program. The most active is the Horticulture Club, and they do a lot of activities, and also during harvest time they will sell different fruits and vegetables on campus and make that available to the faculty at large. Within our program, we have several scholarships that are geared specifically for students in the plant and soil science and environmental management systems majors. Every year, every student that we've had in our program has gotten some amount of financial aid through that program, which is something that we work very hard of and are very proud of for our students. So we do have internships that are part of our program, especially associated with specific concentrations within our majors. And those give you the opportunity to work with a lot of different organizations and industry throughout the city of Baton Rouge, as well as the state of Louisiana. So this is one of the classrooms that's located in J.C. Miller Hall, and we use it for not only classes within our major, but also different classes within the College of Agriculture. So it's definitely one of the areas that you might have an opportunity to take a class in throughout your program. A lot of our research, though, that is part of the horticulture program is actually done at our hill farm that's located on campus. So right now we're on the Donald W. Newsom Hill Farm Gardens located on LSU's campus. We're right behind the Lode Cook Hotel, if that gives you a point of reference. And you can see around me there's a lot of different research that's going on from the horticulture program. We have areas for raised beds. We do have a greenhouse area, a hoop house, as well as classroom facilities behind me. So here at the Hill Farm within our teaching facility, we do have different classroom as well as a teaching lab like you see here, where people can come in and participate in different parts of any of the classes that teach at this facility.